If you have been dreaming to migrate to New Zealand as a caregiver, this video is for you. New Zealand is in short of caregivers and a lot of population is aging and they are in short of caregivers. There is a lot of job opportunities, but what you need to know is to go to the right authentic website for you to get a job. There's also accredited employers that the government has introduced, and they've given power or they've given responsibility for these companies to employ overseas so that they can bring more workforce. So please, if you are a caregiver and has been looking for this opportunity, please jump onto this video, check what I have for you in store, and you could be the next person going to New Zealand as a care worker.
Right, people, without wasting time. So the company that I was talking about is called Health New Zealand. So we're going to type Health New Zealand, then New Zealand, international candidates. Right, let's see what we will get. Have New Zealand international candidates. Yes, so we go there. And yeah, so we are on the website. I will pull my picture here so we can see the whole website. Yeah, so we are on the website Health New Zealand, and we've gone into the international candidate section, and they are saying, you know, they have international candidate session on their platform, on their website. So this shows that they are employing from overseas. We offer dedicated support for international candidates throughout the recruitment, immigration, and relocation process, helping you transition smoothly into life and work with Health New Zealand. So yes, they are saying that they offer free immigration advice and they have it all there. You can have a read. I'm not going to go through the whole information there, but this is proof that this company is employing overseas. So let's go straight into their careers. Careers at Health New Zealand. We are the largest employer in New Zealand, providing public healthcare to 5 million people living throughout the country. Join us in shaping the future of healthcare in New Zealand. So it's a big company, it's not just a small company. So there are clinical roles here that you can apply for. So under clinical roles, usually these are professions where you need to register to work in New Zealand. So these are professions like nursing, social work, physiotherapists, pharmacists. So a lot of clinical roles that you can find under this section. And then as if you are a nurse and if you are a social worker, this is where you apply. But if you are a healthcare assistant, you go to where it says corporate and support roles. So you click there and you search your role. So we are going to search healthcare support. As you can see, it comes up for me because I'm always searching. I'm always researching for these jobs. So find jobs. Let's see if the jobs are going to come up. All right. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so here are the jobs, guys. Today is the 26th, and we've got jobs that are actually, you know, their closing date is 29 July. Oh my goodness, we've got 3 days to apply for some of these jobs. So please, let's not waste time. Let's get onto these jobs. And there's one that's actually expiring today. I know Australia and New Zealand are ahead. If you are in Africa, if you are in the UK, you'd rather apply as soon as you get up because it won't be 11 p.m. as yet for us on the 26th here. So please, guys, let's apply for these jobs before they close. Yeah, so okay, job number one, we've got healthcare assistant and it closes on the 29th. We also have another healthcare assistant in a different hospital, in Hawera Hospital. It closes on the 29th of July. We've got healthcare assistant in IOC. This is probably an island, and it closes today, which is the 26th. And we've got support officer telephone services. If you think you can qualify for this one, you can apply for it. We've got registered nurses, we've got community support workers. This is another good one. This is another good one. Yeah, I've heard and I've also come across of a lot of shortage in the community support work. So this is a good shift for other people that have only targeting the clinical settings where you've been targeting hospitals. This is something that you should be looking at. Community support worker jobs in any country that you are applying for. Just check if there is any community roles. These are good roles. And then core social worker, if you're a social worker. So there's many more. You can load them here. Community healthcare support worker in a different place. And yeah, as you can see, guys, another community support worker in Mid-North mental health. So if you've done an extra certificate, say in mental health, this will increase your chances of getting this job. Yeah, we've got lots of support worker jobs, and you can still load more and more. Yeah, peer support. This one is closing on the 10th of August. This is also a good one. It's in North Island. So yes, guys, here are the support worker jobs. Let's click on them and see what they require. The other thing that I have to say to you is that some jobs will be saying that they prefer people that already have working rights in New Zealand or they've got a New Zealand driver's license. That should not stop you from applying. That should not stop you from applying, because what I've realized with people that I have coached in the past, I've told them to apply even if a job is saying that they need somebody that's local. The reason being, at times they may put an advert saying that they need somebody that's local, but only to discover that the locals are not even applying. So what do these people do? They jump on to see in their system if there's any other second option. And you could be the second option rather than them re-advertising the job again, which is a bit costly. They can actually jump onto the system and see who else they can employ if they can't find the locals. So here is one of these jobs. So this one is support our rural hospital. So as you can see, this is a rural hospital and greater chances of getting this job. Permanent full-time position, working 40 hours per week, rostered shift, support patient safety and well-being. So already they are giving you tips to put on your CV. As long as they've mentioned this, you take it, put it on your CV and say you support patient safety and well-being. Yeah, so Health New Zealand. So this is one of the biggest companies that's employing at the moment. About the role, work under the direction and delegation of a registered nurse, provide assistance to patients to meet their activities of daily living, comfort and safety needs, perform delegated patient care, duties to enhance the satisfaction of the patient, housekeeping duties to provide a clean, tidy and organized environment. So here are the job roles that they are giving you. So about the service, if you are looking for an interesting and flexible job with shifts and department preferences, then we would like to hear from you. This is an opportunity to work in a variety of settings or to choose an area where you have skills or interests. So it shows that there is many job opportunities for this kind of job. It's not just one, because if you are going to be choosing which department, that shows that they have so many roles lined up. So please, let's not hesitate. About you, at least 2 years secondary schooling, good command of verbal and written English, basic computer skills, ability to meet the physical demands of the role, good communication and interpersonal skills. While it's not essential, prior experience in healthcare and a certificate in health and well-being is advantageous. Working at Health New Zealand. Health New Zealand is dedicated to ensuring excellent healthcare for the people of New Zealand. We embrace workforce that is diverse and inclusive so that we are better positioned to understand and service our community. We welcome applications from our diverse, Pacific, disabled, and rainbow communities. To apply, please click apply. All applicants must be submitted through our online portal, which is by the 29th. So as you can see, if you have any questions about the role, please contact Emma Hicks at NL-Jobs. So there is the email address for the person that you can contact. So this is a good job advert. The nice thing or the advantage about this advert is that it didn't say that it wants locals only, because in other adverts, they actually specify that we want somebody that's already in New Zealand and has a work right. So please, this is a to-go job and it is expiring on the 29th. So let's jump onto it. So this is a to-go job and it's expiring on the 29th of July. So I would recommend that we jump onto this job as soon as possible. And then we've got this one that's expiring today. Let's see if it's specifying that they want locals. If not, those who are up Sunday morning, please, let's apply for this job. Let's apply for this job. We are not taking chances. We are not wasting any chances. So here is another job. This one is 20 hours per week. It's a permanent role as well. Rostered shifts, Monday to Sunday, morning, afternoon, and night. So if you are okay to do nights, guys, this is another job. Health New Zealand. We are looking for an enthusiastic and committed healthcare assistant to join our team in acute medical assessment. So yes, guys, here is a job. Just look at the job description, just look at the roles, and then you put that in your CV so that the system can actually align your CV with the job description. Remember what I said in my previous videos. Nowadays, these applications go through a digital system. So at times you have to write what the application is looking for. This is the information that you should be putting on your CV so that the CV can align with the job role, so that the system can locate you, so that the system can easily pick you, because they are looking for these people. About you, we are looking for a candidate who has excellent communication skills, a positive attitude, and the ability to use their initiative. You will work alongside a diverse, multidisciplinary team and follow a roster that covers all shifts, Monday to Sunday. You have to be able to work all shifts, excellent communication, attention to details, excellent time management, comfortable working in a fast-paced environment. They are giving you all the clues here. You are being given all the clues, and it is time for you to take this information and put it on your CV. Comfortable working with patients with dementia, delirium, and other cognitive deficits. Apply to work effectively as part of a multidisciplinary team. Work at Health New Zealand. So they are telling you here how to apply. To apply, please click apply now. All applicants must be submitted through our online career portal before before 11 p.m. 26th, which is today. Unfortunately, there is not much time. This is the reason why I encourage people to always be ready, always have your CVs ready, so that when you see these opportunities, and even if it's 5 hours left for the application to close, you can be able to submit your application. But nonetheless, we still have more and more opportunities that are closing on the 29th, the other ones tomorrow, 27th. So guys, let's jump onto these opportunities. Let's see if we can go through another one just to see if they are, limiting this to The locals, yeah, that's what I am looking for. Let's see if there's any job opportunity that's limiting us. Okay, we've got this community support worker, mid north mental health and addiction services. So if you have an extra mental health certificate, this is a good job. Okay, let's look at it. Its closing date is the 30th of July. Guys, let's spread the word. Let's spread the word. This video needs sharing. You lose nothing by sharing, guys. More people. I know some people may feel that it's gonna be competitive if I send it to other people, but you may never know that very person that you can send to. If they qualify, they could be the ones to help you and bring you over. Yeah, so let's look at the community support worker, this one. Permanent full-time role, working 40 hours per week on rotating shifts, covering 7 days of the week. So it's similar about the role. We are seeking a highly motivated and enthusiastic individual to work as a community support worker in our mental health and addiction service in Calico. You will work in the residential subacute unit, providing care, support, and the best health outcome as part of a collaborative care team involving registered health clinicians. This role also provides cover for a daily medication run in the community. This is a good one. Like I mentioned before, let's take all the information and put it on our CV. If you possess a positive, proactive outlook and are a team player, we would love to hear from you. You must be able to recognize the diversity of people's culture and provide support that is safe and appropriate. Previous experience working with people with mental health challenges would be an advantage. Yeah, so requirements of the role include mental health level 4 certificate or a desire to work towards it. This is amazing. This is gold, guys. They are not limiting to people that already have it, but they also are inclusive of those that desire to work towards it. So if you are somebody that's desiring to work towards this qualification, then please go for this job. Current full New Zealand driver's license. You see, this one is kind of limiting. Experience working in a mental health setting, current, okay, work towards a diploma. Yeah, so this one, it's good because it has that education pathway upgrade so that you can have a diploma later on, which is good. So for those that feel like they want to apply for these jobs, please go for it. So for those that feel like they want to apply for this specific job, please go for it. Please go for it. Let's see if there is any other. If you are in the UK and you are a support worker over in the UK, guys, these opportunities are for you as well. Because remember, being in the UK puts you at an added advantage because you are already working in these English speaking countries. So New Zealand will be able to actually pick you up easily. So if you want to move from the UK to New Zealand, this is also a good opportunity. But please do your due diligence. I'm not an immigration officer. I'm not an employer. I don't offer any jobs. All that I do is to give information, and it's your duty to then do your due diligence. It's your duty then to do your due diligence and make sure that you research about the country and be sure this is what you want. Yeah, so let's see if we can look for another job, the last one. Community support worker, kids first child development. Okay, let's see this one because I want to see if they are also limiting to the locals. Yeah, this one is also limiting to the locals. You can go through it. You can go through it and check their requirements. You can go through it. Like I said, it doesn't mean that if it's limited to the locals, you leave it, you don't apply for it. No, that's not the case. Yeah, let's see this one. I don't know if we've gone through this one already, but let's just see. I just want to see if it's specifying that. Okay. Yeah, this one is not limiting. So this is also another good one. Help New Zealand about the role. We are looking for a healthcare support. We are looking for a healthcare assistant with experience in working in a rural medical and AT&R inpatient ward, working rostered and rotating shifts within a rural hospital setting. So this is very important. If you see a job saying rural, this is gold. It increases your chances of getting the job because a lot of people who are already in New Zealand, they want to be in the cities. And for you that's coming from Africa, I don't think it's wise to just target the cities. Rural is the best route because it will give you an added advantage. All your things will be accelerated. Permanent residence, citizenship, and even the employment process. It becomes accelerated because these people are in short of staff and they know that it's difficult to get staff in the rural setting, so they are open to international candidates. So please click here to view the job description. So if you want to see the whole job description, you can click over there. I'm rushing to see the About You section. Are you a qualified HCA who is wanting to work in a rural hospital setting? Are you patient focused and looking to provide care of a high standard for our patients while is working as a part of a small team? Do you share in our vision, our values, and will ensure our patients feel supported and cared for throughout their journey with us? We would love to hear from you. Health New Zealand is dedicated to ensuring excellent health care for people of the New Zealand. So we've gone through this in other adverts. So this one is closing on Wednesday, the 29th of July. We still have got time to put our CV together. Go onto this job, pick out the most important information that will make up your CV and design your CV according to this information. We can email Tracy. Here is the email address if you want to ask anything. But please apply first and talk to Tracy after applying, because if Tracy says, no, we are not employing from overseas, and then you go ahead and apply, it won't look good. But if Tracy says, no, we don't employ from overseas, and then you're like, oh, but I've already sent my application and I'm willing to work over there, let me know if there is an opportunity. So this is a clever way of going about it. This is one of the biggest employers, so let's not waste chances. Yeah, so I will talk about other opportunities on the next video because I think I have given you a lot of information for today. There is a lot of job opportunities on this platform. I thought that it was going to be maybe 1 or 2 jobs and then we could move on and look for another employer. But this employer has enough jobs for you all that are listening to this video. So please, let's not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, guys. Share the channel to other people so that they can also subscribe to my channel. The more subscribers I have, the more energy that I'll have, the more motivated I'll become, and I won't hesitate to get up and search for more and more information so that you people can have more and more opportunities in 2026. I really want testimonies. I want people to move overseas in 2026, and this will make me so happy. So good luck to everybody that's going to jump onto these opportunities. Please jump onto the opportunities. We want candidates. We want people that are going to move overseas in 2026, and we want this community to grow. See you on the next video.